Hello and welcome to our video blog for sceye. Today we are presenting sceye on a Mac, and we are showing how easy it is to work with sceye and to scan documents on a Mac. So first let's have a look to our installation. We have a quick installation routine which is describing how to install it, and there you can download a driver package. And if you open that, you can easily install it just by drag and drop the driver to the destination folder. And in addition to that, we have a predefined set of profiles for Exactscan Pro, an application which we recommend for Mac. So let's have a look at Exactscan and our Twain driver. Here we start Exactscan, and the first thing we see is a list of profiles. And these profiles are very useful because they combine a set of predefined settings with a target folder. So let's choose the desktop profile by example. The documents will be stored at the desktop automatically. And with pressing the scan button, our Twain driver appears. So let's have a look at it. Here we can switch the laser and the LED on and off. We can choose the color mode, grayscale mode, black and white mode. We have the options of resolution 100 to 400 dpi. There are some filter options like a contrast filter, a smooth filter, and no filter. We have the option to calibrate the color, and we have a brightness button to adjust the brightness manually. And the auto crop function is very important. Here you see the green lines which are indicating that the document is detected. And with the green lines, we are showing that we have found the documents and we know its position and we know how to rotate it. And that becomes very important. So let's have a look at it. Let's make a scan with it and see how it works. So we scan it. Then we close the dialog, and the rotated and cropped document appears in perfect shape, and it is stored as a PDF automatically. So let's try it out with another document, maybe one which we would scan in black and white. So we scan the first page, and then we flip the page to scan the second side of the page. We close the dialog, and that's it. Here we have the document as a PDF document. You see the first, the second page, and the special thing here is the OCR is already recognized and it is part of the PDF document, and that becomes very important later on when we have a look at Spotlight. So let's have a look at some documents which need to be rotated as well. So let's choose some small receipts which we have here, and we make a scan, and let's choose another one. Scan, and yeah, now another page. Here I have something, 3 sides, 3 pages, and the first page, then we change it. The pages are stapled, by the way, the second one, and here the third page. We don't have to remove the staples, we just scanning, then we close it, and here you see 5 pages scanned. The first 2 are the receipts, then the 3 pages, and also here the OCR is already recognized and is fully available, and we will see how important that will be. So let's have a look at Spotlight. We are all used to put our documents into several folders because that is the only chance that we are gonna find the documents again. But wouldn't it be great to scan the documents just to one single folder, and the system is helping us to find a document whenever we need it? So check this out. So let me start my Finder, and here you see at the left-hand side my archive, and in the archive I have 417 documents, and yeah, of course we can flip the documents, we can have a look at each of them, but well, it's quite a lot, so it must be easier to find what we are looking for. So I remember that I have an article about aperture, so let's use Spotlight to find it. So I'm typing apert, and now you see that the list is reduced to just 2 documents. And the first one is exactly what I was looking for. So you can see how useful it is to have the OCR text, because it helps us finding the documents again. And here, of course, we can use the Mac tools to have a look at it. So we can use the space bar to have a quick look at it. Or we can also have a double click to open it and to see it. And here you see the text which is behind the document, which is used, of course, for Spotlight. So that's a very nice way to use the archive. And yeah, here you see another document. That's a tricky one because there's no OCR, it's just a sketch. So, but there's a trick which we can use. We can use Spotlight comments, and here we have some German words which are related to the document: sceye, Gehäuse, and Wurf. And these words are now related to the document. And if I'm now typing in Gehäuse, you see that the list is already reduced. I'm going on sceye, and you see now it is reduced to just 7 documents. And the first one is exactly the one which has no OCR built in, no OCR integrated, but it's exactly what we are looking for. So very useful, very nice. I hope you find it useful, and maybe you could see how elegant, how smooth it is to work with sceye, and how nice it is to find the documents again with Spotlight. So thanks for your time, thanks for your interest, and yeah, have a lot of fun with sceye.